Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Chainlink price prediction and Chainlink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Chainlink in 2022. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Sergey Nazarov is a co-founder and CEO at Chainlink Labs. He graduated with a degree in business administration from New York University, with a focus on philosophy and administration. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Chainlink. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Chainlink. With Chainlink down 60% from November highs, how are the investors making profit? The thrash of the bears has reached Chainlink as well, and its myriad of DeFi protocol integrations have not been able to save it either. In the while the market took to stop dipping, Chainlink already fell below its safe zone. Chainlink revisits the past at the time of this report. 63.68% of Chainlink's 662K addresses were witnessing losses. Now, this might not be as big a deal in general, since the entire market is observing losses. The consistent dips observed in the last 2 months certainly are to be blamed. But when it comes to Chainlink particularly, it is significantly worse, as this is the most Chainlink investors have suffered in over 3 years. The last time such a huge portion of investors was in losses was back in December 2018, when the figure touched 80.7%. Thus, the dejection is clearly visible in investors' behavior since network-wide their participation has come down. Daily active users, which at their peak were averaging around 15 to 16K, were still keeping above 3K until the end of December 2020. For over a year, served as a strong buying zone, Link reversed to form an inverse head and shoulder. But this recovery was shunned by its trendline resistance, while Link kept entering a tight phase. Over the last few days, the down channel, white, reversed into a falling wedge, yellow. Furthermore, they all saw a morning star, bullish, candlestick pattern. From here on, any close above the wedge or the POC would position Link for a test of its trendline resistance. If the buyers can gather enough thrust on high volumes, the chances of a further recovery before a pullback would exist. But if the bears are adamant about protecting this liquidity range, then the alt would continue its tight phase between the wedge before a probable breakout. Rationale: the RSI and the price action were in harmony for the most part. Thanks to recent bullish pressure, the RSI managed to poke above the midline and affirmed a decreasing selling vigor. Also, the OBV depicted a bullish preference while observing an ascending triangle breakout. This trajectory could open up the recovery gates to automation with no single point of failure, mitigating risks around manual processes and centralized servers. Increased efficiency: projects that use Chainlink keepers are able to reduce time spent on DevOps, minimize operational overhead, and streamline development workflows. Enhanced security: Chainlink keepers sign on-chain transactions themselves, enabling automated smart contract execution without exposing private keys. Reduce costs: Chainlink keepers perform efficient off-chain computation for smart contracts, allowing developers to build feature-rich dApps at lower costs. And second use: PancakeSwap becomes first DeFi project to launch through the Binance Mini program. For those that currently enjoy access to the Binance mobile app, it has never been easier to delve in and out of PancakeSwap following this latest partnership. Mini program partnership: PancakeSwap has announced a partnership with Binance, whereby it becomes the first DeFi project to launch through the Binance Mini program. Confirmation of the exciting development came from an exclusive source from PancakeSwap, and was also noted via their Medium on March 17. The move seamlessly used PancakeSwap within the Binance application. Dear cake holders, after working closely with the Binance team for the past several months, we're extremely excited to reveal the beta launch of the PancakeSwap Mini program in the Binance mobile application. The team revealed via Medium. Starting from today, access to PancakeSwap will gradually open to Binance mobile application users. As the platform begins to add features to the Mini program, the team is intent on the idea that this will be a significant step for PancakeSwap to further increase its user base, liquidity, trading volume, and have a further impact on BNB chain. There was an immediate market reaction to the news, as $Cake saw a startling jump from $5.62 to $7.19 in just over an hour according to CoinMarketCap. The price has jumped almost 20% overall. With the coin having been in consolidation for a long while, its users will be hoping this latest development will provide the impetus for the lows of a range that Chainlink has traded within since May last year. Therefore, $13.6 is an important level of support that has been lost once again to bearish pressure. The $13 and $13.6 areas have seen demand arrive in the past 2 weeks. Since Link was trading under these areas, a retest of this area of supply would be likely to face rejection and see a move downward. The RSI has been below neutral zero for almost the entirety of March. Over the last few days, there was a bullish divergence between the RSI and the price on the hourly chart. However, the predominant trend has been bearish. Hence, any bounce in price would likely be a selling opportunity. Conclusion: the market structure was bearish and longer timeframes established that upward moves for Link are likely to be retracements. Once Link dropped below $14.4, the near-term bias also flipped to bearish, and it continues to be bearish. The bullish divergence that has developed in the past couple of days could see Link bounce to $13.6. Selling pressure behind the coin is likely to see Link rejected at these resistances and move south once again. Link price prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, Chainlink Link prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $55.06. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Chainlink's maximum price could be up to $66.82 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Link price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Chainlink price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Link will rise to around $78.45 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of $92.66 with a minimum price $75.70 level. Link price prediction 2027. Chainlink's value will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Link is expected to top out at $130.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Chainlink will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Link will be between $106.79 and $110.72 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Link's maximum price ranges from $106.79 to $130.12 for 2027. Link price prediction 2028. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Chainlink will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Link is expected to peak at $185.20. The minimum bet could rise to $151.82 if the market turns bullish. Chainlink price prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Chainlink price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $261.26 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $218.39, with a maximum price of $261.26 for 2029.